Dr. Hamid Ülker from Ülker Engineering Company from Turkey. Today I'm going to present some information about our company and potential collaboration opportunities in Turkey. Ülker Consulting Engineers has been established in 1988 to provide services in the fields of structural engineering, seismic engineering, coastal engineering, environmental engineering and energy sectors. In structural engineering, we are active in Turkey, Azerbaijan, Turkmenistan, Lebanon, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. In environmental engineering and energy sector, we focus entirely in Turkey. Our company is widely experienced in FIDIC, World Bank, European Investment Bank, and Islamic Bank procedures, which have been practicing for more than 25 years. Currently, with a total of 35 engineers and architects, we pursue both engineering design and consultancy services. Our notable projects in environmental engineers included, for example, some wastewater treatment plants in Turkey. For example, Konya, great municipal wastewater treatment plant, approximately serves 1.1 million people, in Konya. And in Alanya, for example, in Turkey, noise and odor control wastewater treatment plant.
A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. To start with, I would like to thank the Chamber of Commerce of Turin for the invitation and the support so far. My name is Ashish Thomas and I represent PTL Solar from Dubai. We are one of the leading solar energy solution providers in Dubai. Now, to start with, I would like to start with the MENA solar market outlook. It's based on research. It's a forecast of the solar energy market in the MENA region. MENA stands for Middle East and North Africa. So if you look at it, the annual solar market would cross 3.5 gigawatt by 2015, and Saudi Arabia and Turkey would be leading the chart. And based on another research, there would be approximately $155 billion investment in the solar sector in the next 5 years in GCC. So when we say GCC, it's the 6 countries comprising of UAE, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, Oman, Kuwait, and Qatar. Now, if we just talk about the initiatives that has recently happened in UAE, one of the latest initiatives have been the launch of Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum Solar Park with a total capacity of 1,000 megawatt by 2030, and it's a dirham's 12 billion project and covering a total area of 48 square kilometers. In fact, the first stage would be complete by the end of this year. The investment would be 120 million, and the first phase will be a 10 megawatt project. Now, if you look at the Dubai energy mix by 2030, 5% of the total energy would be through solar, 12% through nuclear, 12% again through clean coal, and 71% of the total energy would be through gas. Just to give you a brief about PTL Solar, we are a company which was founded in 2005. We offer solar energy solutions in all the sectors. We provide solar energy solutions like solar lighting solutions, solar water pumping solutions, solar power systems, solar for oil and gas, solar for telecom, all the solar solutions other than the solar thermal. We stand for reliability, power and sustainability. In terms of operation, we are operating from 12 countries now. We are headquartered in Dubai, but we are covering Middle East, Africa and the entire South Asia.
Добрый день, уважаемые дамы и господа. Меня зовут Роман Амельчук. Я из России, из Москвы, компания Vitasviet.
Buongiorno signore e signori, io mi chiamo Amilchuk Raman, vengo dalla Russia e rappresento la società Vitasviet.
Наша компания была создана сравнительно недавно, в 2009 году, и с целью продвижения на российском рынке источников возобновляемой энергетики. В частности, это солнечная энергия.
La nostra società è stata costituita recentemente nel 2009 e l'obiettivo della nostra costituzione è stato quello di promuovere in Russia l'energia solare.
За прошедшие 5 лет мы заняли нишу специализации на резервных и автономных системах электроснабжения мощностью от 3 до 30 киловатт.
Negli ultimi 5 anni noi abbiamo consolidato la nostra posizione per ciò che riguarda i generatori di corrente autonomi o di backup con una potenza da 3 a 30 kW.
Это небольшие станции, предназначенные, в частности, есть у нас договор с компанией «Газпром». Мы ставим такие подобные станции для систем перекачки газа на газотранспортных магистралях. В случае потери электроснабжения будут работать наши станции. То есть это как резервные.
Si tratta di centraline di piccole dimensioni e di piccola potenza ed in particolare stiamo realizzando queste centraline in cooperazione con la Gazprom. Sono centraline di backup che vengono collocate lungo le pipeline e servono prevalentemente per il pompaggio e quindi il trasporto del gas, in modo da avere sempre, anche in caso di caduta di corrente dall'alimentazione principale, la sicurezza del trasporto del combustibile.
I'm here from Torino in Israel. It's a 62 years old company. It was a branch of Mekorot National Water Company in Israel. And this company specialized in wastewater, water treatment systems, and since we do the treatment and reuse of water, improves Israeli water balance, and in fact 350 million cubic meters of effluent were reused, and we compare what we did in Israel compared to other countries, which I took just as a sample. So if in Israel we did 75%, in other countries, as you see here, the difference is higher. So we do specialize in this area. The other area where we do specialize in is the desalination. Due to the fact that we are lacking water in Israel, but we do have the sea, luckily, we've built quite a few plants. Actually, the last one of 100 million cubic meters is the last one, and I think the biggest in the Middle East. And it's being, I think it's going to be operated in the summer. So what we do is, as I said, water supply, including water treatment and desalination, development of surface water, water treatment and water supply, wastewater treatment and reuse of them, integrated rural agricultural development, which is something which we are very proud with. I'm not sure I can really go deeply into that, but if somebody wants to ask me, I can try and get some information.
My company that I represent is Estri Ambiental. We are the leading company in waste management in not only Brazil but all Latin America. And I'm head of business development there. And before I start, I would just like to say that some things I will say here may sound a little bit strange, because in Brazil we are maybe 15 years behind Europe. So landfill is the best technology we have there. So we're talking about a country that half of the volume on waste goes to dumps and uncontrolled landfills. So when we are talking about technology, we are really struggling in Brazil. So we need European help, American help, and everybody help to deal with our big volume of waste. Just a quick overview about our market. The Brazilian market, it's about, it's in Brazilian reais, so you just need to divide it by 3 and you get the euro currency. We are talking about an 8 billion euro revenue market. What is important to say that it's only half of the volume that you can see in this graphic, because we are talking just about municipal waste, and we also have industrial waste in Brazil, so 8 million euro is half of the market. We have a good price level in Brazil, at least in our point of view. We are talking about 120 euros per ton to do the collection and final disposal. Just remember, final disposal is only a landfill.
Donc, je suis le gérant de la société Logipro. Tout d'abord, je veux remercier la Chambre de commerce de Turin pour son invitation et pour son excellent accueil qu'il nous a réservé. Voilà, pour la société Logipro, c'est une société spécialisée dans tout ce qui est... Donc, la société Logipro est spécialisée dans la gestion des déchets industriels. Pour les déchets industriels au Maroc, nous avons à peu près 1,6 million tonnes par an. Ces déchets industriels sont à peu près de 256 tonnes de déchets dangereux. Et au niveau des déchets hospitaliers, nous avons environ 20 000 tonnes de déchets, dont 6 366 tonnes sont des déchets dangereux. Le problème du Maroc, c'est le problème de traitement de ces déchets. Nous avons que l'incinération pour le traitement des déchets dangereux, mais il nous faut d'autres traitements pour ces déchets-là. Et c'est ce que nous cherchons aujourd'hui pour traiter ces déchets. Le Maroc essaie de faire une stratégie pour le traitement de ces déchets-là. Donc, il est conscient de la menace que représente une mauvaise gestion des déchets pour l'environnement, et il a entrepris une série d'actions stratégiques pour réformer le secteur de gestion des déchets. Le renforcement de cadre légal. Il y a plusieurs lois aujourd'hui au Maroc qui sont en cours pour un peu renforcer ce cadre-là, et la création des décharges contrôlées pour la gestion le traitement des déchets.
I represent one of the biggest Russian company in waste management, Ecosystem. So first of all, I would like to draw your attention to the basic facts on municipal solid waste market in Russia. So frankly speaking, it's not, the situation with waste is not very good in Russia. We still do not have the separate waste collection system. So the facts on waste are the following: that municipal solid waste volume generated in Russia nowadays is 330 million cubic meters per year. Over 82 billion tons of production and consumption waste are accumulated on the territories of Russia today. Growth rates of municipal solid waste volume is average 2% per year. And the share of municipal participation in waste management sector prevails in Russia today. But nowadays more and more private companies are attracted into this business. And the reasons for private investment are the following: that reforms in housing and utility sector in Russia are going on nowadays. Private enterprises show high profitability. Increase of requirements of consumers to the quality of services. So, our company was established in 2006 to modernize and develop an integrated modern environmental management system on the territories of Russia. Our goal is to create the system of waste management in the region and municipalities using energy efficient and environmentally friendly technologies. The waste management system that company is currently establishing in the regions of operation comprises of the following elements. So we collect and transport waste, normally it's household and enterprises We sort it, then recycle and deposit waste at landfills.